So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app basket not showing or working. Cart checkout fixes. So fix 1 is force close the app. Close the McDonald's app completely, remove it from recent app, once it again and add an item to your basket. Second fix is toggle your internet connection. Switch off Wi-Fi and enable mobile data or the other way around. Public Wi-Fi network may hinder proper loading of the cart. Third fix is log out and log back in. Open the McDonald's app, tap the More or Account tab on the bottom menu, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Close the app completely, reopen it and log back in with your email or social account. Fourth step is clear the app cache. Open your phone setting, tap Apps or Application, select McDonald's from the list. Tap Storage, tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data yet, just cache. Reopen the app and check your basket. Fifth fix is check for app update. Open the App Store in iPhone or Google Play Store in Android. Search for McDonald's. If an update button is visible, tap it. If it says open, the app is already on the latest version. Sixth fix is complete reinstallation. Press and hold the McDonald's app icon on your home screen. Select delete app or uninstall. Restart your smartphone completely to clear system memory. Go back to your App Store, download the McDonald's app again and log in. So thanks for watching.